thread work. If I talk about the dupatta, you can see the pants, and the dupatta again is going to be proper 2.5 meter. This is what I am telling you if you are looking for quality and good prices, and all these collection are going to be under 1000 rupees. Yes, you heard it right, under 1000 rupees all these beautiful collection for you. You can Hello YouTube family, so today I brought you very beautiful Zardozi collection. It's going to be in Roman fabric. As you can see, the table is going to be very beautiful, so don't skip this video. This is exclusive for boutique owners. If you want to own all these collections, so don't skip the video. As you can see, the first very beautiful pink color design is going to be very beautiful, and it's going to be in Rani pink. You can see the neck area also, and you can see the bottom area also is going to be very beautiful and very good looking. If I talk about the bottom wear, you can see this proper pink color bottom wear along with it. And if I talk about the shawl length, the shawl would be proper 2.5 meter. This is going to be proper 2.5 meter. And if you're liking any of the collection, you can take a screenshot, send it to us, because this is going to be very exclusive collection. Next piece, you can see the proper white collection. I'm not going to show you here because the table is white. The video got, you can see this, how beautiful this white piece is looking. If you want to see the second piece, you can see this also. This is going to be very beautiful. As you can see, this first piece, how white is looking so much beautiful. You can see the second white collection as well. It's going to be in the proper cut work and the Zardozi work. As well, you can see the proper zari weaving dupatta along with it. It's going to be very exclusive and designer collection for you. And if you want to own this collection by sitting at international border, we have international shipping with us. Secondly, we have partial COD also. So you can see this next blue color piece also is going to be so beautiful. You can see the proper cut working and the Zardozi working on it. Is going to come with proper 2.5 meter shawl, and this is going to be the bottom. If you want to own all this collection, you can even visit us if you're planning to come to Surat. You can see the address in the description, and you can see this new color as well. It's going to be in the rust color, very beautiful and unique color. You can see how beautiful this piece is looking. So whatever collection you are liking, just take a screenshot and send it to us. You can see this next lilac color, and it's very beautiful as well. You can see the neck area, you can see the whole working, you can see the thread work. If I talk about the dupatta, you can see the pants, and the dupatta again is going to be proper 2.5 meter. This is what I am telling you if you are looking for quality and good prices, and all these collection are going to be under 1000 rupees. Yes, you heard it right, under 1000 rupees all these beautiful collection for you. You can see this next piece as well, how beautiful this color is looking. Now the last collection, I'm not going to show you here. Let's move on to the dummy. You can see how beautiful this piece is looking. This is going to be proper Roman silk fabric, heavy neck, cut working, and even I am wearing one. So if you want to own all these boutique collection for your shop, for your boutique, this is your channel. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Comment down below from where you're watching this video.